Hey there, Tall Man Clan. We're at the Florida RV Super Show, and the video you're about to watch came from a longer stream. In fact, not only is it from a longer stream, but it's got one of the manufacturer reps in there with us. And so it's going to be a little bit different than our normal long-form content, so we hope you enjoy. Travel trailer.
Yeah, so the first one, this one right here is our 31T13 floor plan.
Let's just shoot that real quick, Lisa. All right, the 31T13. Okay, let's take a peek inside.
Now, when you walk into this floor plan, there's a couple things that I think that we've done differently. One, you walk in, you've got triple slide. You'll notice first island kitchen that I know of in a toy hauler floor plan. It's got good viewing angle. You're not sacrificing anything. You've got a full-size pantry, plenty of cooking space.
With adjustable shelves, mind you, right?
Yep, adjustable shelves. We've got nice oven, 3-burner cooktop, microwave. You've got the 12-volt refrigerator. This is powered by a 320-watt panel, 20-amp charge controller. We have the largest in class bathroom. So if you walk through here,
oh, look at that.
See your largest in class bathroom, massive 30 by 36 shower, the dual entry points. You've got actually one of the things that a lot of people have to sacrifice in a travel trailer is their closets.
Yes.
I mean, and
there's a big hanging rack.
Got a big hanging rack.
All the way back there. Nice. And hidden storage. You guys yell at us for not finding all the cool hidden stuff. There's hidden storage in there. We do our best. Is this a RV queen?
Our queen size bed.
Nice. And let's just, I don't need to hit, well, we're going to hit the toilet real quick. You know, this is Tall Man's RV Reviews, right? We got to hit that toilet.
It's time for Tall Man's Toilet Test.
And look at that. No issues. It's kind of set kind of this is a tall man toilet.
It is a tall man
this
toilet.
Is set up kind of high, y'all. This is actually the most comfortable toilet I've ever been on in an RV. Because they're not usually this tall.
No.
Usually my knees are up like that.
There you go.
That's great. All right, plastic foot flush. He already mentioned the shower, and as you can see height-wise, we'll just do it real quick so you can visually see. There's plenty of height in here. Okay, so no issues for the tall people. 2 recliners or 3?
3. All 3 recline. You also have the flip down.
In the middle. Excellent. There you go. So if you need some space between the loved ones, you can do that, right?
Yep.
TV's right there, and we sort of caught that in the pan around, but great angle for watching. It's not too bad. All right, so there you go, Lisa.
This one's got 2 ACs. You got a 13-foot unobstructed garage. So this is going to be good for any of the side-by-sides out there, 4-seat, 2-seat, couple of Harleys, or whatever the consumer might want to use it for.
Nice. Now, I've always wanted to ask somebody this question. So obviously the bench is right down the track.
That is correct.
How far down will the bed go?
The bed goes down to this stopper right here.
Right here. Is that adjustable, or that's it?
It is adjustable.
So if you wanted it to go a little lower, it could go as low as these 2.
Yep.
Okay. Just was inquiring minds. So you see in there's that little plate there. There's 2 screws. You can move that down another foot. Let's call it 14 inches. Okay. And Lisa, just back up so you can see height-wise. Just for somebody to know, right? You're still going to need a step stool. You're not just going to slide in there. I mean, I could slide in there.
Yeah, right.
But average people, you need a little step to get in. Okay. All right. So out the back, real quick, right? Your standard sort of toy hauler deck out back, right? You do have a pull-down
screen. Yes,
right?
sir.
So if there's bugs out, you can pull the screen down. So
and it is available with an optional 3-season
door.
Yep.
Excellent. Excellent. Love it. Standard like 1,500 pounds.
1,500 pound, 3,000 pound. Yep.
Okay,
3,000, 3,000.
Yep.
This does have a composite floor, so if you look at our weights, I mean, we're very in line with that of our competition.
Okay.
And we have that 3rd slide. We are wide body, and we do have a full size 13-foot garage.
So what weight are we about? Because remember, this is a travel trailer, guys. This isn't a 5th wheel. It's a travel trailer toy hauler. So what weights are we?
Just under 9,000 pounds on this particular floor plan.
Gross or empty?
Empty. And then 13,000 gross.
So you can about 4,000 pounds.
Yep.
4,000 pounds, Lisa.
Mm.
Oh, we got a little half bath back here, y'all. And again, from the tall man standpoint, we're good here too. Not as tall as I am, but it's okay. The feet are in. We're good. Little sink in the corner. Pretty good, guys. All right. So yeah. So there we go. A new travel trailers for them with toy haulers. So lead the way. Let's go.
All right. Let's go to. You want to go to the all access 5th wheel?
All access.